lately I've been getting a lot of questions from real estate professionals out there. Listen, how do I really do this networking? You talk a lot about networking, but I really don't like to network. Well, first thing you need to realize is network, the actual word work is in network. So you need to work. A lot of people go to these network events or general events and they don't actually do anything. They just stand there against the wall waiting for the buffet to happen. That is not networking. Networking is actually actively, intentionally meeting with as many people as possible with very short conversations. And a lot of people are very comfortable about that. Let me give you a very simple tip. For the next 1 hour, just write down 10 questions, general questions that you can ask any person if you would attend an event next time. Just 10 questions. Memorize these questions. Go to these network events and just start asking these questions and try to meet as many people as possible. I would prefer that you meet at least 100 people. So you collect 100 business cards. If you collect 100 business cards, you have 100 people that you can follow up with. You will at least meet 10 people out of those 100 people. And out of those 10 people, I'm sure you will sell 2 properties to them. So is this effective? Super effective. Go to the next network event, have the 10 questions ready, approach them, have a conversation with them, and start following up with them. It's one of the most effective things that I have been doing for as long as I've been in the real estate, and after that as I'm becoming a coach, that I do in networking. So start networking and start closing those deals. See you next time.